guys.
Anybody?
Today, we're gonna try our lip tint,
Ano pa yung pangalawa?
lip, and cheek.
Na
Let's
simple.
be quiet because our mom is discussing in her online class.
Hello?
Let's go.
Anybody? Ano pong tawag natin dyan? Kanina, ang pinaka-symbol ng wire is horizontal or flat line.
Okay.
No? What about the second symbol? Anybody? Hello? Ayan. Tulog na ang mga filament. Nakakaantok
Oh
ba?
my God.
Anybody? Ano tawag natin dito? Okay, tawag natin dito is wires connected. So, ibig sabihin, nakakonect ang wire. Ito po yun. Okay, what about the third? Yan. Ano po kaya ito? Yung symbol na to. Wires not connected. Yan po.